We're really excited to talk to you about our latest discovery, the Clear Light Sauna. We have just started using this sauna and the benefits have been incredible. First off, it's amazing for detoxification, and we've noticed that after each session, we feel so much more refreshed and energized. It's like hitting the reset button for our bodies. And it's not just about feeling good. The sauna is a sanctuary for stress relief. After a long, hectic day at work, it's our go-to escape. Just 20 to 30 minutes in here and we're completely unwound and relaxed. Some of you may know I have been training for a big run in the next few weeks, and using the Clear Light Sauna has helped with my muscle aches and stiffness after a long run. The Clear Light Sauna is a game changer, whether it's after an intensive workout or just a busy day on our feet. It helps us recover faster and we feel like ourselves again. And let's not forget about skin health. Our skin feels so much better, clearer and more rejuvenated. And with a natural glow, it's like a day spa right at home. Honestly, I am not lying when I say this, but it has become an essential part of our wellness routine. If you're interested in experiencing benefits for yourself, definitely look into Clear Light Saunas. You will not regret it.